Hello everyone, I'm Alan from CANBEST. The screen behind me is a project from Tunisia. It's a high-end creative display project. This display screen is made up of 400 XSC flexible rental cabinets. Common flexible screens on the market can bend, but they aren't reliable enough. We've added an aluminium reinforcement structure to the back of the XSC. This improves the screen's fatness and structural stability. Let's look at the structure of a single cabinet first. It supports manual curve adjustment with a maximum range of plus or minus 22.5 degrees. Look at the scale locks on the back. When the crew are setting it up on site, they can control the overall curved shape more precisely. Also, each module is equipped with indicator lights and a positioning button design. If a faulty pixel appears, on-site staff can quickly locate the problem for efficient maintenance and replacement. This wave-shaped design is possible because the XSC can achieve stable inner and outer curves, as well as continuous curved corner transitions. Like this 7.5 by 2 meter curved screen behind me is perfect for large-scale shows, tours, and high-end display projects. Our XSC and XS cabinets can be used together to build corner displays like this one. Based on this structural design, the XSC can create various creative shapes. For example, with just 8 cabinets, you can build a cylindrical structure about 1.28 meters in diameter. The XSC isn't just a flexible rental screen, it's a creative solution for a versatile stage. If you want to make your stage even more eye-catching, please feel free to contact us anytime.